Look at the traffic sources of almost any successful YouTube channel, and you'll find a specific distribution. Roughly 70% of their views come directly from search and algorithmic recommendations, rather than their existing subscribers. Relying on intuition to figure out what that audience wants to watch is a massive gamble. Capturing that algorithmic traffic requires you to base your topics on hard search data. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to build a fully optimized, copy-paste-ready metadata package for your next upload. To start, set up your workspace. Decide on your specific niche, open a blank text document, and pull up Keyword Tool Dominator. By locking in this metadata foundation before you even hit publish, you establish a direct line to your exact target audience from day one. Step 1 is defining your seed keyword. This is the broad, foundational term that represents the core topic of your channel or your upcoming video. We're going to take that seed keyword and enter it into the search tool, but right before the phrase, type an asterisk. That asterisk acts as a digital magnet. It forces the autocomplete tool to surface the exact long-tail phrases that real users are actively typing into the search bar right now. What you'll get back is a massive list of highly specific, real-time search queries appearing on your screen. Having this list means you no longer have to assume what your market wants to see. You have the actual data proving exactly what they are looking for. Broad, single-word keywords are extremely competitive and difficult to rank for. To find the actionable terms, we have to strip away the junk data from our initial wildcard search. This funnel is our filtering process. Set word count to 4 or greater and cap difficulty at 6 to weed out massive channels. Finally, set relevancy to 90 or above and autocomplete position to 3 or lower. This guarantees top search suggestions. Look through the remaining terms, select the single best keyword for your video, and paste it at the very top of your blank text document. These 4 parameters isolate the terms that have significant search volume but lack optimized competition. By targeting these specific gaps in the market, you can secure a ranking on page 1 even as a newer creator. Now we translate that keyword into your video title. The most important rule here is to front-load your primary keyword right into the first half of the sentence. YouTube truncates titles on mobile devices, so all your crucial information needs to fit strictly within the first 60 characters. Take your primary keyword and pair it with one clear benefit, or a bracketed power word like proven or the current year. This comparison shows why keyword stuffing is destructive. Packing multiple phrases into one title confuses the algorithm and creates an unreadable mess for your viewers. A concise, benefit-driven title gives the algorithm exact indexing data, while simultaneously giving human viewers a compelling reason to click. Next is the description. The first 125 characters are the most critical because they act as secondary search indexing and show up right below your title in the search results. Write your exact primary keyword into the very first line of your text document's description section and follow it immediately with a clear call to action. For the tags, you want a list of 10 to 15 specific terms. Make sure your primary keyword is the very first tag on the list. Fill out the rest of the tag block using the close variations and long-tail questions you uncovered during the wildcard search. Keep the total length strictly under the 500-character limit. Aligning your title, description hook, and tags around a single keyword concept sends a clear signal to YouTube. It establishes authority over that search query. Check your text document. You now have a data-backed, perfectly structured metadata package. You've completed the hardest part of YouTube SEO. All that's left is to copy and paste this exact text directly into YouTube Studio when you upload your video. Once that video is live, you can use the snowball trick. Take your winning keyword, run it back through the search tool as a new seed, and you'll generate enough data-backed ideas to plan your next 6 months of content. Finally, immediately after you publish, pin a comment on your own video. This triggers the early interaction signals YouTube uses to determine how much initial reach to give a new upload. Mastering this level of data-driven preparation replaces guesswork with a repeatable strategy for reaching the right viewers.